Backpedals over to the right circle. He's in and dropped Marody. Cross ice goal! Bring those teddy bears, says Lane Pederson. And we're flying through the air with some teddy bear toss chaos. Lane Pederson from the left circle. Bullseye! With 17:49 to go in the second period. And it's a lot of teddy bears. Oh, what an awesome scene. Well, it's time for me to throw my bear too. Stand by. For the Phantoms, and Casey Fitzgerald a shot through a screen. Oh, it dribbles in, they score! Casey Fitzgerald from the right point with two players screening Brisson, so he couldn't see it, and it might have been tipped in there. And I think the goal goes for the longtime Syracuse Crunch veteran Daniel Walcott at 8:29 into the third. Daniel Walcott in his 7th game with the Wolfpack. In the first round, he was kind of casually and then walked into the slot and put it high glove on Devin Levi. Here's Robertson over to the right side boards, cuts in on Spencer Martin, dangles, backhander, scores! Off the left post as he flipped the backhander in. Tucker Robertson is 2 to win this shootout. Brisson, lefty shot over the right boards, in on Pederson, stick handling around, and he scores! Brisson ties it in the third round. Scoops it up the righty shooter, weaving around way over to the left slot now, and on Marody, he scores! Past the glove of Spencer Martin. Roobroeck for Hartford has to score to keep it going. Boy, what a pretty shot there for Marody. Roobroeck, the big guy, 6 goals this year. Straight at Pederson. Denied!